In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gemini with Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you are already logged into your Google account. Once you're inside your Gmail inbox, open a new browser tab and go to gemini.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you use for Gmail so everything connects properly. On the Gemini page, look at the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. A pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, click Connected Apps. Inside the Connected Apps section, locate the Google Workspace card. This is the feature that allows Gemini to access tools like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Calendar. To enable it, click the toggle switch on the right side of Google Workspace to turn it on. Once you do that, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to grant permissions. Click Connect to approve the access. This step is important because it allows Gemini to securely read and interact with your Google Workspace data. After connecting, go to the top left corner of the Gemini screen and click New Chat. This will start a fresh conversation where you can begin using Gmail with Gemini. Click into the message bar at the bottom of the screen and type the @ symbol. An interactive list will appear showing available apps. From that list, select Google Workspace or Gmail. Now type your specific request. For example, you can type something like find unread emails from this week, then press enter. Gemini will process your request and generate results directly inside the chat window. You can review the responses right there and continue asking follow-up questions if needed. In addition to Gmail, you can also use this integration with Google Drive and Google Calendar, search files, check schedules, and more using the same method. Congratulations.